Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. We were discussing parts of speech. Today's topic is verbs and kinds of verb. If you enjoy watching my videos, give me thumbs up and watch my previous videos. Go subscribe to my channel and share as much as you can. Verbs are the fourth part of speech. First noun, pronoun, adjective, and then we are discussing verb. Verb indicate the state of being of a pronoun or a noun, or we can say a subject, or we can say that verb indicates an action performed by a subject or a noun pronoun. Let's have a look on the structure of sentence. Sentence is mainly composed of three main components: subject, verb, and object. So, in the middle of a sentence, you will find a verb. Verb comes after the subject and followed by the object. So, this is the main component of a sentence to make it complete. Let's have a look on example. The first example is the cat sat by the window. So, the action performed by a cat is sitting. So, the sat will be the verb in this sentence. In second sentence, she left in a hurry. So, she, which is a pronoun, and in a hurry, which is defining a pronoun or an action in a hurry, and what action left, कि वो जल्दी चली गई. Alright. Number third is he accepted the job offer. So, he is a pronoun, and what he did to the job offer, the response he gave to the job offer is acceptance. So, the verb or action he does is accepted. So, you can see the verb the verb is coming in the middle of a sentence and not at the end or at the starting of the sentence. Now, in grammar, we have many different types of verb, but in this video, we will only discuss two different types of verb, which is linking words and action verbs. We almost in all cases we are followed the action verbs, but now we have to study different types of verbs too. So, linking verbs. What are linking verbs? As the name suggests, that link, it connect or link the two words or sentences. So, let's have a look at examples. Then we have the definition: is, am, are, was, being, were, seems, feels, being, becomes, appears, be. If we use is in a sentence, so you will say she is pretty. When you say she is pretty, so she and pretty are connected through is. She is pretty. So, she, which is a pronoun, and pretty, which is the description of a pronoun, adjective, is connected by a verb. As you can see, I have already told you that verb comes between the sentence. So, verb is here between the pronoun and its adjective. So, is which is connecting the two words and a pronoun and with its complement. So, is called the linking verb. In the same manner, we can also use the rest of the words in your sentences. Like if I say I am busy. I am busy. So, what word connecting the I and the busy word? Am. So, am is the linking verb. Let's have a look on action verb example. Run, play, jump, hide, write, live, smile, walk. So, all of these words related to an action. कोई भी action perform करने की बात की जा रही है. इनमें कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है कि जो link कर रही हो, but an action performed by a subject, or we can say noun or a pronoun. Let's have a brief description of linking verbs and action verbs by looking its definitions. So, the first one we have is action verbs, and action verbs describe what something or someone is doing, or what our subject or pronoun or a noun is doing. Like you can see she is a pronoun, the stew, which is the object, she tasted the stew. So, the word which defines the action of a noun or a pronoun or the subject is verb, is an action verb. which defines any action performed by a subject. An action performed by a subject. Number second, the bus arrived on time. So the bus, which is a noun, common noun is bus. So the bus arrived on time. So the arrival of a bus, which is an action of a bus, is called the action verb. Alright. Now let's move to the next category of verb we have today is linking verb. Our linking verb, as I told you before, links between the object and the subject, or the subject with its subject complement. Our linking verb links the subject to a subject complement that identifies or describes the subject. You can also look on the example, so you will get the clear knowledge of linking verb. His name is James, and the second example I gave you is she is sensible. His and she is a subject here, is presenting as a subject here, and James and sensible is a subject complement or a description to the subject. Like his, what's his name? James. So it is the description to description. Its description is James, which is a subject complement, and in the same manner she and sensible, she and its subject complement or its complement is sensible. And what is the word which is joining the two of them, which is the linking verb. So is here performing the function of a linking verb. If I change the word or alter the sentence into she is writing, so now we have no more adjective here. Sensible is an adjective है pronoun का, but हम sensible को change कर देते हैं writing में. So अब क्या difference आ गया? अब हमारे पास दो types of verb एक साथ use हो गया. It means is using as a linking verb, is here performing a function as a linking verb, and the writing, which is performed by her or a pronoun or a subject, is performing the role of a action verb, or we can say the main verb. Main verb भी कहते हैं इसको और action verb भी कहते हैं. So have any confusion between the action and linking verb? Let me resolve your all confusions now. Let's have a look on the difference created between the action and linking verb. As you can see, I have made a column, two columns. One refers to the action verb qualities and the second one is the linking verb qualities. We are comparing the action verb and linking verb. Number 1, action verb is a verb that indicates an action. कोई भी काम जो परफॉर्म करे हमारा नाउन प्रोनाउन सब्जेक्ट, उसको इंडिकेट करने वाले वर्ड को कहते हैं एक्शन वर्ब. बट व्हेन वी गो टू द अदर हैंड इन द लिंकिंग वर्ब, वी टेल्स दैट एनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड एनी सब्जेक्ट linked through a word which is called a linking verb. कोई भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट सब्जेक्ट का और सब्जेक्ट दोनों कनेक्टेड जिस वर्ड से होंगे उसको कहा जाएगा लिंकिंग वर्ब. The second difference is action verbs are followed by object. Action verbs के बाद हमेशा object आता है. But in the linking verb, linking verbs are followed by subject complements. They are not followed by object. Object नहीं आता बल्कि क्या आता है? Subject complement. As you can see in example, Amna, which is a subject, I am writing here S for representing subject. Cooks, action verb. AV, action verb. Food is followed by object. Action verb is followed by object. So this is the basic sentence we made. In the other hand, in the linking verb example, you can see the subject, which is the food, which is our linking verb, is followed by a subject complement or a description of the subject. के subject food कैसा है? yummy है. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास subject complement कहलाएगा. There is no object over here. So this is the main difference between action verb and linking verb. Action verbs can exist without an object. It means that action verbs can exist अगर उनके पास object ना हो फिर भी. Let's have a look on example. Previous example we are following here. Action verb can exist without an object. It means we can skip the food and the sentence meaning will remain same. Amna cooks. So it is a complete sentence. It makes sense. Amna is cooking or Amna cooks. So this is an action verb which do not have any boundaries, that it has to followed by a object. But in the linking verb cannot exist without a subject complement. Let's have a look on example we studied earlier. The food is yummy, but if we skip the yummy, we cannot say the sentence is sensible or proper. The food is. This is not a complete sentence. So the existence of linking verb without the subject complement is not possible. So the main difference are here, like action and subject complement, object, presence of object and subject complement, and cannot exist without object, can exist without object and cannot exist without object. I am giving you an exercise related to the action verb and linking verb. What you have to do it with me. So check if you understand the concept of action verb and linking verb successfully. When we use a look in a sentence, we have to see if it is replaceable by is or not. जो भी ऐसा word हो verb हो जो कि इस से replace किया जा सके वो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं as a linking verb. तो हमने देखा कि अगर मैं sentence में लिखूँ the dress looks pretty, so मैं उसको change कर सकती हूँ the dress is pretty. So I can change the look into the is word. So this is a linking verb. Replace is an action verb. We are replacing something with someone. Come is an action verb. Felt if we use in a sentence, हम felt को sentence में use करके देखते हैं. I felt heartbroken. So we can change the felt word into the link word am. So the sentence will change into the sentence I am heartbroken. So if it can change into any of the linking verbs, so this is a linking verb. Number 5 is ran. Ran is obviously an action verb. Sounds, if I say she sounds funny, or we can change into the is sentence, she is funny. So if we can change the verb into is, am, are, so we can say that the verb is a linking verb. Now we have completed all the related queries about question verbs and linking verbs. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe it right now. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, share. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.